draw your picture. Make sure you have enough space to write. Maybe you can write at the bottom and draw your picture up here, or you can write at top and draw your picture at the bottom. Okay. No one likes it until the end of the story.
I don't write that. I forgot to write that.
Okay, and you're going to write some words around your pizza. Salty. Tastes cheesy. Yo-Yo's Pizza, and tell us about your pizza, Yo-Yo.
It tastes spicy and cheesy.
Oh.
It smells good. It smells like butter, so
Skittles.
Skittles, okay, tell us about the Skittles.
Skittles smells like sweet fruit, and it sounds like a clock. Skittles tastes like a lime. It looks like little rock. It feels like blue marble.
Okay, very good.